there, my name is Ashe, and in this video I'm going to review why I've chosen to join Luminoso. So, I live in Saskatchewan, Canada with my dog and husband, and yes, that's a log cabin you see in the background. My journey in technology started at a young age when I was taking apart computers for fun and troubleshooting my mom's VCR problems at the age of 6. About 13 years ago, I started working in marketing, doing odd jobs like website design, copywriting, and branding guidelines. I loved the psychology behind it, and I loved it even more when automation and CRMs became more commonplace. In marketing, the adaptation of new technology is almost as important as breathing, especially in an industry that is fast-paced. But even with this whirlwind of advancement, I still felt like something was missing. With the rise of automation and digitization of data, we were losing something important and at the same time. And I didn't know what it was, but I could feel it. In 2021, I started a company called EchoFish from the ground up with the intention of rooting out this feeling I had inside. The marketing industry I loved dearly was so highly toxic and saturated with misinformation that I felt like I needed to combat that in some small way. Within just a couple of years, I had a team working with me, and one day we were brainstorming together on a project, and something clicked. This feeling that I had kept scratching at the back of my mind suddenly came to the forefront for all of us, especially when we witnessed the mass adoption of AI technology in 2023. I can only define this feeling as a slow bleed, a quiet acceptance that we were all like all of us pushing aside the human element in exchange for fast, convenient, repeatable demands. So I decided to change up our approach and reconnect with our human element. My team and I started a huge push for collaboration, open communication, and most of all, careful assessment of how and when to use AI technology. Since then, the company has flourished and clients are happy, and I've felt more fulfilled. Grounded, I suppose you could say. The secret to doing this is treat people like people. It all started with asking the right questions, having transparent, open communications with clients, who are people, by the way. People have stories, and those stories drive connection. Through connection, we find keys to solving big problems together. So that's why I joined Luminoso. Luminoso enables us to hear the voices of all our people, even those voices that we'd otherwise miss. We utilize AI technology to assist in shedding light on every angle of a story, incorporating the human element, which is extremely important when making business decisions. It's the first time in my life I feel like I'm working towards something bigger than myself, something that can change the world. Not just AI technology, but a hybrid, taking the good of both and combining them to empower us and our partners, challenging ourselves to be greater and to ask more of ourselves than quick and easy convenience. In an age of noise and disconnection, where people feel their voices have no power, Luminoso is a tool that everyone should have at their disposal. My role here as VP of Marketing is to champion our reconnection of the human element in the wake of AI. That starts with the focus of delivering real value for our partners and educating AI users on how not to lose yourself in this ocean of technology and data. There's a lot to look forward to on our YouTube channel. If you're a fan of AI technology but are also feeling a need to reconnect, stay tuned.